As people age, a gradual decline in leg strength often begins around the age of 60. This change tends to go unnoticed at first, as it happens slowly and subtly over time. Everyday activities like climbing stairs, rising from a chair, or walking longer distances may start to feel more challenging, but many attribute these difficulties to general aging rather than a specific loss of muscle strength. By the time the decline becomes obvious, it can already have a significant impact on mobility and independence. Recognizing this issue early is crucial, as maintaining strong legs is essential for balance, preventing falls, and preserving an active lifestyle. Weakening legs often reveal themselves through everyday challenges. You might notice increased difficulty when climbing stairs, feeling as though each step requires more effort than before. Standing up from a seated position can become slower or require additional support. Maintaining balance may also be harder, leading to occasional unsteadiness or a greater risk of stumbling. These signs can develop gradually, making them easy to overlook at first. Recognizing these changes early is important, as they may indicate underlying health issues or the need for targeted exercise and support. Early intervention plays a crucial role in maintaining health and preventing the progression of many conditions. Addressing issues at their onset often leads to better outcomes and can even reverse certain declines before they become more serious. Simple exercises, when introduced early, can strengthen muscles, improve mobility, and enhance overall well-being. These activities not only help restore lost function, but also serve as a protective measure against future deterioration. By incorporating manageable routines into daily life, individuals can take proactive steps to preserve their independence and quality of life. The earlier these interventions begin, the greater the potential for positive, lasting results. In this section, we'll introduce 2 simple exercises that anyone can do without the need for a gym membership or costly equipment. These activities are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making fitness accessible to everyone. Both exercises rely on body weight and require only a small amount of space. They are suitable for all fitness levels and can be performed at home, in a park, or even during a break at work. By focusing on these straightforward movements, you can begin building strength and improving your overall health with minimal barriers. Traditional approaches to physical fitness often focus on isolated exercises or repetitive routines that may not address the root causes of discomfort or imbalance. These methods can overlook the importance of functional movement patterns that our bodies use in everyday life. Scientific research shows that targeted, integrated movements activate multiple muscle groups and enhance coordination, leading to more sustainable results. By engaging the body in ways that mimic natural motions, these specific exercises promote better joint health, flexibility, and overall strength. This approach not only improves performance but also reduces the risk of injury. Understanding the science behind these movements helps us appreciate why they are more effective than conventional workouts. The term second heart refers to the network of muscles, veins, and valves located in the lower legs. This system plays a crucial role in supporting healthy blood circulation throughout the body. When we walk or move our legs, these muscles contract and help push blood back up toward the heart, working against gravity. The veins contain one-way valves that prevent blood from flowing backward, ensuring efficient circulation. Without the action of the second heart, blood could pool in the lower extremities, leading to discomfort and potential health issues. Understanding this concept highlights the importance of leg movement and muscle activity in maintaining overall vascular health. Calf raises are a simple yet highly effective exercise that targets the muscles at the back of your lower leg, primarily the gastrocnemius and soleus. By lifting your heels off the ground and balancing on your toes, you engage these muscles, helping to build strength and endurance. This movement not only tones and shapes your calves, but also plays a crucial role in improving lower limb circulation. Enhanced blood flow can reduce the risk of swelling and discomfort, especially for those who spend long periods standing or sitting. Regularly performing calf raises can contribute to better overall leg function and stability, making daily activities and other forms of exercise easier and safer. Scientific studies have shown that performing calf raises can offer a range of health benefits. Regularly engaging in this simple exercise has been linked to improved blood pressure, as the movement helps promote better circulation throughout the lower body. Additionally, calf raises can reduce swelling in the legs by encouraging the return of blood and fluids to the heart. Enhanced balance is another notable benefit, as strengthening the calf muscles contributes to greater stability and coordination. These findings highlight the value of calf raises as an accessible way to support overall vascular health and physical function. To perform calf raises safely and effectively, begin by standing upright with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your core engaged and your shoulders relaxed, maintaining a straight posture throughout the exercise. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto the balls of your feet while keeping your knees straight but not locked. Pause briefly at the top, feeling the contraction in your calf muscles. Lower your heels back down in a controlled manner. Inhale as you prepare and exhale as you lift your heels. For added balance, you can lightly hold onto a sturdy surface, such as a chair or wall. Repeat the movement for the desired number of repetitions, focusing on smooth, controlled motions and steady breathing. To make calf raises more challenging and effective, there are several progression options you can try. One simple way is to increase the hold time at the top of each raise, which helps build endurance and strength. Performing calf raises on one leg instead of two adds intensity and engages stabilizing muscles. You can also add resistance by holding dumbbells or wearing a weighted vest. Gradually increasing the number of repetitions or sets is another effective method. These progression strategies help ensure continuous improvement and prevent your muscles from adapting too quickly. When performing calf raises, it's important to avoid some common mistakes that can limit your progress or even lead to injury. One frequent error is using momentum by bouncing at the bottom of the movement, which reduces muscle engagement and increases strain on your joints. Another mistake is not achieving a full range of motion. Make sure to lower your heels fully and rise up onto your toes to maximize muscle activation. Leaning forward or letting your ankles roll inward can also compromise your form. To get the most out of calf raises, focus on slow, controlled movements and squeeze your calves at the top of each repetition. Incorporating variations, such as single leg raises or adding resistance, can further enhance your results. Consistency and proper technique are key to building strength and definition in your calves. Consistently practicing calf raises can lead to noticeable improvements in lower leg strength and endurance. Over time, you may experience enhanced walking power, making daily activities like climbing stairs or walking longer distances feel easier. Regular calf raises also promote better circulation in the lower legs, which can help reduce swelling and discomfort. As your muscles become stronger, you might find increased stability and balance as well. These benefits contribute to overall leg health and can support a more active lifestyle. Chair squats are a practical exercise designed to enhance your lower body strength and stability. By mimicking the motion of sitting down and standing up, this movement targets key muscle groups such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Regularly practicing chair squats can improve your balance and coordination, making everyday activities like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs easier and safer. Over time, building this functional strength supports greater independence and reduces the risk of falls. Chair squats are suitable for all fitness levels and can be performed almost anywhere, making them an accessible addition to any routine. Recent scientific studies have highlighted the remarkable benefits of squats for older adults. Regularly performing squats has been shown to significantly increase lower body strength, which is essential for maintaining independence and mobility. Research also indicates that squats improve balance, reducing the risk of falls and related injuries. Beyond physical gains, participants often report a boost in self-confidence as they notice improvements in their daily activities. These findings suggest that incorporating squats into a regular exercise routine can be a powerful tool for enhancing overall quality of life in older adults. To perform chair squats correctly, begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your back facing a sturdy chair. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and arms extended in front of you for balance. Slowly bend your knees and push your hips back as if you are about to sit down, making sure your knees do not extend past your toes. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or until you gently touch the chair with your glutes without fully sitting. Pause briefly, then press through your heels to return to a standing position. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you rise. Maintain a straight back throughout the movement to protect your spine and ensure proper form. To make chair squats more challenging and effective, there are several progression options you can try. Slowing down the descent increases the time your muscles are under tension, helping to build strength and control. Adding a longer pause at the bottom of the squat further engages your muscles and improves stability. You can also use a lower chair or surface, which requires a greater range of motion and activates more muscle groups. These variations allow you to gradually increase the difficulty as your strength and confidence improve. When performing chair squats, it's important to avoid some common mistakes to protect your joints and maximize the benefits. One frequent error is letting your knees move too far forward over your toes, which can strain the knees. Another mistake is rounding your back instead of keeping your chest lifted and spine neutral. Make sure your feet are shoulder-width apart and your weight is distributed evenly through your heels. Avoid bouncing or dropping quickly onto the chair. Instead, lower yourself in a controlled manner. To ensure safety, always use a sturdy chair that won't slide. Focusing on proper form and slow, deliberate movements will help you build strength safely and effectively. Chair squats can lead to noticeable improvements in daily life. Over time, you may find it easier to stand up from a seated position, requiring less effort and strain. Movements become smoother and more controlled, reducing the risk of falls or instability. These changes contribute to greater independence, allowing you to perform everyday tasks with increased confidence. Enhanced leg strength and balance from chair squats support overall mobility, making activities like walking or climbing stairs more manageable. Maintaining strong and mobile legs is essential for daily activities, especially as we age. A simple weekly action plan can make a significant difference. Begin by incorporating calf raises into your routine. Stand tall, lift your heels, and slowly lower them back down. Aim for 2 sets of 10 repetitions, 3 times a week. Pair this with chair squats. Sit down and stand up from a sturdy chair, focusing on controlled movements. Perform 2 sets of 10 repetitions, also 3 times a week. This combination targets key muscle groups, helping to preserve both strength and mobility in your legs. Staying consistent is key to achieving lasting results. By making small, steady efforts each day, you lay the foundation for meaningful progress. Tracking your journey allows you to see how far you've come, turning even minor improvements into powerful motivation. Remember to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication and growth. Over time, these moments of progress add up, leading to significant and rewarding changes. Taking the first step today can set the stage for remarkable changes in your life. By committing to these exercises, you're investing in your personal growth and well-being. Small, consistent actions often lead to significant results over time. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll start to notice positive shifts in your mindset and habits. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight, but every effort you make brings you closer to your goals. Embrace the journey and trust in the process, knowing that your future self will thank you for starting now.